was at the police station. And therefore, it is mischievous to come to court today and allege that they only had notice at 7:30. There cannot be a better demonstration of mischief than that, Your Honor. So they're not being candid with the court that the first accused knew that this matter was coming up today. Your Honor, my further instructions are that the investigators looked for the first accused person in all her known places of residence. They have her phone numbers, which, Your Honor, let me not disclose in court in respect of her privacy, through which they try to locate her, but have not been able to do so. Your Honor, she's a public figure. She's a leader. And as investigators, to them it was strange that such a person would put off her phones for all that time between the time they were looking for her yesterday, the whole of yesterday.
The third accused person is an electrical superintendent dealing with functions for doing the electric works in the projects. Hardly anything that he earns. The fourth accused person is just a retired teacher who was just employed to help in the, what they call, in the education office. In the education office. Retired long time ago. Tells me about 14 years ago. He survives hand to mouth. For him, 5 billion shillings is imaginary. He cannot be able to even fathom how he can get it. The sixth accused person is a clerical officer. She's telling me that even to try and even go and talk to friends, nobody is capable, even the friends, none of them is capable of even raising. I actually even have her payslip. By the time even the deductions are done, you can see she remains with 21,000 shillings. In this day and age, with this COVID that is going on, with the kind of care that she has to take, about 20, that amount of money cannot be raised. And let's take into consideration, Honor, that we have this circumstance, this unseen enemy, the COVID.
And every time the DCI wants to call our client, he has been calling my number or his number or the advocate's number, and we present our client to the DCI. This time, our numbers went in danger. The state never called us. So now we urge the court to be considerate and review our position, that we produce the first accused person before you on Monday, 9 a.m. for plea taking. She's a member of parliament. My two colleagues, Mr. Cliff and Mr. Ogolo, will only highlight the sections of the law that our arguments are based. Mr. Ogolo, then Mr.
Yeah, I just want to add one thing. With the proceedings before
PM, we made an effort, and 4 councils are before you, to explain those circumstances. That there was no notice, there was no summon. The CPC provides for the mode